This is healer Priya Vijay from Priya Vijay Aku Center. This is a requested video. So in this video we are going to see what are all the how to treat the bad breath in acupressure as well as Sujok method. So first let's see in acupressure what are the points to do to get relief from this bad breath. There are many reasons for bad breath. Like few of the reasons are like some people won't be brushing their teeth, like just for a few seconds itself they will finish it off and come out. So that is not a proper thing. So whenever after finishing having the food, always please gargle and ensure like the food particles is not sticking in your tongue or teeth like that. Okay, and main reason for this bad breath is due to the improper digestion, that is due to indigestion. Some people will be having this bad breath, or due to the stomach ulcer, those kind of thing also the various reason for that. But generally speaking, the indigestion is the main cause for bad breath. Okay, then so before moving on to this point, I would request you to if you like this video, please like it, and if you have any suggestion, please comment in the comment box, and share this video if you find this useful to your contacts. And also please subscribe the channel if you have not yet done, and while subscribing please click the bell notification icon so that whenever I am posting the new video you will be getting notified on this. Okay, so first point is P7, that is pericardium 7. This point is located in the middle of your wrist line. This is our wrist line, right? So in the middle of the wrist line this point is located. You can do in any hand, left hand or right hand. If it is right hand, then this is the same position. Okay, so here you have to use your right hand index finger and give a gentle pressure over here for 1 to 2 minutes. Minimum some 1 minute is also enough. Okay, you have to do whatever points I'm showing here. Please do this 2 times a day to get relief from this bad breath very soon. So this is the first point. Okay, now let's see the next point. The next point is REN22 or CV22. Okay, this point can be located very easily. This is the chin portion, right? So above the chin portion, just below the lower lip, this point is located. Just use your right hand index finger and give a gentle pressure over here. Just relaxly inhale, and while exhale, do like this. Okay, so this will stimulate the respective point. So like this you have to do for 1 to 2 minutes. So in Sujok, I am going to show you the respective point. So in the index finger, okay, in any hand, right hand or left hand, in the index finger, okay, so this is my index finger, and this first line is there, right? So in the middle of the first line, okay, so this place, in the first line at the middle portion, okay, that is the point in Sujok. So at this point, what you have to do is, before pasting the seed, if you have a Sujok like acupuncture, magnetic acupuncture ball like this, just give a gentle pressure over the entire palm area and also back side of the hand. You can do this for both your hands. Even though you are going to paste the seeds only in one hand, it's better to do in both the hands. This will increase the blood circulation. And this is Sujok ring. You have to use in this way. Just put and remove in each of the fingers for 10 times. In 10 fingers you have to put and remove for 10 times. And this is the thumb pad, acupressure or Sujok thumb pad. You have to give a gentle pressure over the entire area like this. The reason why we are using these things before pasting the seeds is this will normalize the blood circulation, and the nervous system will also be boosted up, and all the points will be activated. After doing all these things, this is paper pour tape. You can have like both the paper pour or transport tape, anything you can use. This is a paper pour tape. Okay, so in this paper pour tape, what you have to do is, in this paper pour tape, just paste some 2 to 3 methi seeds, that is fenugreek seeds. Okay, after pasting this, just paste at this point. Okay, if you whatever seed you are pasting, just leave it for some minimum 2 hours to maximum 12 hours. And please do the acupressure points and the Sujok method daily. Okay, seed you can just do it for 1 time a day, but acupressure point do both 2 times in a day, and you will be getting the results very soon. And if you have these products with you, you can very well do, like as I said, please before pasting the seeds, please give pressure by using these items. If you don't have, you can very well buy from us. We have all these items in our Vijay's Health Mart. You can very well message us or call us and we can courier the products. Okay, these are all the things that is needed for this. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a healthy life in a natural way.